From the tactical eye of the Orbiter 4 to the stealth strike power of the F-35I, these are the aircraft that make the Israeli Air Force one of the most lethal and battle-tested fighting forces on the planet. We start our list with combat aircraft. F-15 Eagle, the backbone of Israeli air superiority. Israel operates 66 F-15AC variants built for long-range intercept and air dominance. This airframe has logged more kills in Israeli service than any other fighter in the fleet. Then the F-15E Strike Eagle. Israel flies it as the F-15I Ram, a deep-strike multi-role platform built for penetrating heavily defended airspace. It carries precision munitions over extended range, purpose-built for high-value targets far beyond Israeli borders. Up next, the F-15X Eagle II, designated the F-15IA for Israeli service. 25 are currently on order, the most advanced Eagle variant ever built, integrating next-generation avionics and electronic warfare systems onto a proven airframe. Next, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Israel fields 173 F-16C or ISUFA variants, making it the largest single aircraft type in the fleet. Lightweight, multi-role, and combat-proven across decades of Israeli strike operations over multiple theaters. The next one, the F-35 Lightning II, designated the F-35I Adir. 48 are in active service with 27 more on order. Israel's only fifth-generation stealth platform, capable of striking targets undetected while feeding real-time data across the entire battle network. Next on the list, airborne early warning and reconnaissance. Boeing 707. Israel operates two modified as the EL or M2075 Falcon AEW&C platform. Fitted with an AESA radar system, it provides 360-degree airborne surveillance, giving Israeli commanders a complete picture of the battlespace before a single fighter launches. Then the Gulfstream G550. Configured as the CAEW, Israel fields two of these platforms with one more on order. Equipped with the W2085 radar, it delivers long-range detection and tracking of airborne and surface threats across vast operational distances. Up next, the Super King Air. Israel operates 13 B-200 variants in the SIGINT and ELINT role. These aircraft quietly vacuum electronic intelligence from adversary communications and radar emissions, feeding the data directly into Israeli targeting and threat assessment pipelines. The next one, the Gulfstream G550. In its SEMA configuration, Israel fields four of these aircraft, with one designated for reconnaissance. It conducts deep surveillance missions, collecting signals intelligence across contested airspace without ever crossing into enemy territory. Moving on to tankers. Boeing 707. Israel operates 7 KC-707-300 aerial refueling variants, with one also used for transport. These aging but reliable platforms extend the combat radius of Israeli strike packages, enabling long-range missions that would otherwise be impossible without forward basing. Up next, the KC-46 Pegasus. Designated the KC-46A, Israel has 6 on order. A next-generation aerial refueling and transport platform that will dramatically expand Israel's power projection capability, supporting sustained strike operations at distances well beyond the range of unrefueled fighters. Then, the KC-130 Hercules. Israel fields 7 KC-130H variants configured for both aerial refueling and tactical transport. A versatile, proven platform that keeps Israeli fighters and special operations aircraft fueled and mission-capable across the full depth of any operational theater. Let's move on to transport aircraft. Super King Air. Israel operates 5 B-200 variants in the utility and transport role, with 2 specifically configured to provide multi-engine training. A reliable twin-turboprop platform that handles short-range logistics, personnel movement, and light operational support across Israeli air bases. Next, the C-130 Hercules. Israel fields one C-130E or H variant configured for both transport and search and rescue operations. A battle-tested airlifter capable of operating from austere short runways, moving personnel, equipment, and casualties in and out of demanding operational environments. The next one, the C-130J Super Hercules. Israel operates 7 of the C-130J-30 stretched variant in the tactical airlift role. The most capable Hercules ever built, delivering significantly improved range, payload, and climb performance over earlier models in the Israeli inventory. Continuing with helicopters. AH-64 Apache. Israel operates 48 AH-64AD attack variants with 30 next-generation AH-64E models on order. The primary rotary-wing strike platform of the Israeli Air Force, purpose-built for destroying armor, fortifications, and high-value ground targets with precision-guided munitions. Then the Sikorsky UH-60. Israel fields 49 UH-60AL Black Hawks in the utility role, with one lost in 2026. A rugged, multi-mission helicopter that moves troops, equipment, and casualties across contested terrain, forming the backbone of Israeli rotary-wing tactical mobility operations. Up next, the Sikorsky CH-53. Israel operates 21 S-65C3 heavy lift variants with 12 advanced CH-53K models on order. The largest helicopter in the Israeli inventory, capable of moving heavy equipment, vehicles, and large numbers of troops deep into operationally demanding environments. Next on the list is trainer aircraft. M346 Lavi. Italy-origin advanced trainer, Israel operates 30 M346I variants. The primary jet trainer feeding Israeli fighter pipelines, it replicates the high-speed, high-stress environment of frontline combat aircraft, preparing pilots for direct transition into F-16 and F-35 cockpits. Then, the F-15 Eagle. Israel operates 21 F-15BD variants in the conversion trainer role. A two-seat platform that transitions experienced pilots directly onto the Eagle airframe, maintaining the high proficiency standards required to operate one of the fleet's most demanding combat aircraft. Next, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Israel fields 49 F-16D variants as conversion trainers. The two-seat Falcon keeps Israeli pilot throughput high, ensuring a constant supply of combat-ready operators fully qualified to fly the fleet's most numerically dominant frontline multi-role platform. Up next, the T-6 Texan II. Israel operates 20 T-6A variants in the intermediate trainer role. Bridging the gap between basic flight training and advanced jet conversion, it builds the core instrument flying and airmanship skills every Israeli combat pilot must master before progressing. The next one, the Grob G120. Germany-origin basic trainer, Israel fields 16 G120A1 variants. The entry point of the Israeli pilot pipeline, it introduces student aviators to the fundamentals of flight before they advance toward more complex and demanding training aircraft. Now this is the AgustaWestland A119. Italy-origin rotorcraft trainer, Israel operates 8 A119KX variants with 4 more on order. The dedicated pipeline for Israeli rotary-wing pilots, it builds the foundational helicopter skills required before progression onto operational platforms like the Black Hawk and Apache. Moving on to UAVs. Then the IAI Heron. Flying the Heron 1 variant, this male UAV is a proven long-endurance surveillance platform. It loiters over target areas for extended periods, streaming continuous intelligence directly into Israeli command networks to support both real-time targeting and strategic threat assessment. Up next, the Hermes 900, an Israeli-origin male surveillance UAV built by Elbit Systems. It carries a modular sensor payload across extended missions, providing high-resolution imagery and signals intelligence collection over vast geographic areas with minimal logistical footprint on the ground. The next one, the Hermes 450, a tactical Israeli-origin UAV operating in the surveillance role. Smaller and more deployable than the Hermes 900, it supports ground forces with persistent overhead intelligence at the brigade and divisional level across active operational zones. Now this is the Orbiter 4, an Israeli-origin tactical UAV operating in the close surveillance role. Designed for rapid deployment by small units, it provides immediate eyes-on capability over targets at short range, feeding real-time imagery to operators within minutes of launch.